Hi, welcome to this video. This is Adrian, aka the Tenerife Trader. In this video I'm going to show you a new strategy which potentially anybody can trade with very little knowledge of the Forex markets. Obviously if you've got more knowledge then even better, but just before I get to this new system I've been testing out, just to quickly share my screen and to remind you that I trade as part of a group called the Ninja Forex Traders. I've been with them since September time 2020, so excuse me, around sort of 7-8 months, and I'm now one of the live traders, and so I do a call twice a week to help other people trade the Ninja Forex Traders strategies. Okay, so if I've done a video on that in the past, so if you want to go and have a look at that after this video, by all means just go on the channel and you'll find a full video overview of the Ninja Forex Traders. Essentially they're a group of people, or we are a group of people that learn, trade and win together, and every day we have live calls, and we are one trading community. Okay, that said, so there is a new system. As part of the Forex Ninja Traders, we use some tools such as the harmonic scanner from IM Academy. IM Academy is essential if you want to be part of the Ninja Forex Traders group, but we do have a Facebook Lite group where people can come and have a look at, see what we're doing and find out more information. So I'll drop a link in the description below that, and if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Okay, so this new system is called Colors, and essentially you want to be looking for everything red or everything green. So I'm just going to go quickly through how it works. So here we have a red box, and this is a zone for cells to come off of. So it's basically an area of support or resistance. This is resistance in this case because price is coming up, and the green box is verified support. So we expect, as you can see in the past here on the 23rd of April, price came off of that and traveled up from the support to the resistance. Okay, so I've been looking at this yesterday, and I'm just going to quickly go through a few potential trades. As I said, the idea is that you want everything to line up. There is details here of all the indications, arrows, and what these circles mean and everything, but at the end of the day you don't need to know any technical information. All you need to know is everything red or is everything green. So let's have a look on the 1 hour and see what happened yesterday. It's Saturday the 1st of May at the moment, so we're looking to see what happened yesterday on the 30th of April. So ideally you want, on the right here, you want all these arrows to be either green or red. Okay, you can look at ones where it's mostly green or mostly red, but for now let's just look at everything that's red. So New Zealand JPY, when you click on these, the chart changes to the correct time frame and the correct pair, so that's very quick and straightforward. So we had this alert, or this signal, come a day ago, 30th of April, UTC 10 AM. Okay, so we're on UTC +3 here, so let me change that to UTC. There we go. Right, so we're on the same time frame on the chart as we are on the alert. So we're going to find the 30th of April. So if I just at 10 AM, okay, so it's this candle here. So let me go and get a symbol over here. We'll have what shall we put? A little flag. So we'll put a little flag. 10 AM. There's the flag. Okay, it's a little bit big, but you get the idea. Pop him up there, above there. So this candle here, we got this signal for a sell. Now on this candle you have a red confirmation arrow, another confirmation arrow, a red candle, a red line. This is the moving average, but it's red. It's coming off a red zone, and as we move down we have a red bar, a red line, and a red bar. Okay, so if you took this yesterday, potentially, you know, depending on where you get in the candle, so come down a little bit, just say the alerts triggered and you've waited and just to confirm everything. So potentially there's 59 pips to the bottom of that in 7 hours. So within one day, one trade, potential of just under 60 pips. Okay, so let's have a look at another one. Gbp Usd, also 30th of April, but at 8 AM. I'm actually going to put a line in this time because I think it's going to be easier for you to see. So I'm scrolling across the bottom there, 30th of April, there, that blue line. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom in a bit so we can see a bit clearer. So we're coming away from a sell area, so good. So it's red, arrow, red. We've had an arrow here as well, so that's 2 arrows down. Red candle, red bar, red line, red bar. So if you can match red and green, I'm going to say we got in on the candle after, just for confirmation. Okay, 8 hours to the bottom of this candle here, over 100 pips, 103 pips in one trade, and drawdown on that if you got in and it went against you slightly, 15 pips. Obviously on a move like that, depending on your risk tolerance, I would be looking to have my stop loss somewhere up here and the take profit down here. So on a risk to reward, that's a 2.34 trade. If you wanted to make your stop loss a little bit tighter, you could do the bottom of the body of the top of this bearish candle here, and then that gives you a trade of 3.64 to here. It's not 3.64, sorry, it's 2.43, depending on where you put your stop loss, but still a very, very good, easy potential trade. Let's see, next one we have gold. I don't really trade gold, so the next one is New Zealand CHF. We had all down arrows on the 29th at 3 PM. So let's go and have a look. 29th at 1500 hours here. So on the call of the candle, coming away from a red zone, red arrow, red line, red bar, red bar, red line, red bar. All right, so again, I'm just going to put, is if I was to look at taking this trade, where would I put my stop? And I might be up here somewhere, and the entry is going to be, let me just make this box a little bit smaller so I can get it all on the screen. I don't know why it's so big. Okay, so if I have my stop maybe at the zone, for instance, and we're getting in on this candle here, so after it's a few pips, and I'll have to go over here for take profit. So we've got a 1 to 2.52 depending on where you put your stop. I might actually put this just above the moving average of this candle here. So actually in that trade, potential of 52 pips and 4.68 to 1 just by matching the colours. Next one, just having a look, GBP CAD, 26th of April, 2 PM, get my line, 26th of April, 2 PM, and actually as I've zoomed out you can see that it puts all these zones in automatically for you. So as we're in a downtrend, it's putting in the support zones or the resistance zones, depending on which one you're looking at. Okay, so we're looking at this candle here. Okay, this may have taken a bit of time to play out, however, let's see. So we are confirmation arrow, red, candle, red bar, red line, red candle. All right, let's see where we would put potentially the stop. So if we got in somewhere around here, and I will put the stop maybe at the top of this zone here for now. And if you waited, now it did seem to take a long time to play out, and this will test your patience, but that's 290 pips in 4 days, basically, with a 3-to-1 risk to reward. And obviously by the time you got some more signals here as well, but by the time you got into profit, you can bring your stop loss down. Okay, good. That's pretty much all the ones on the 1 hour with all the 4 arrows in the same direction. Let's just have a look at one where we have 3 green arrows, 1 red arrow. This is yesterday at 5 p.m. Sorry, 5 a.m. This looks a bit messy. Let's have a look. Right, so I've shown you ones that all line up because they had all the arrows in the same direction. This one, there's 1 arrow not in the right direction, and as you can see, we've got a sell zone. The moving average is red, the arrow is red, the candle however is yellow, which indicates a transition of a buy or sell or an indecision. Down here we are red and red, but because of the candle and at the same time we've got a green up, so that will keep you out of that trade. Okay, let's look at another one, see if there's one where it works on 3x3, but it gives you trades to look at. That's the main purpose of it, and with very little knowledge, as I said. So we are here 30th of April at 5 a.m. so we're here again. Right, we've got a red line to start with, so immediately we're going to be cautious. We've got a green arrow, green bar, green candle, green arrow, red, orange. Okay, however, if you've been looking at this pair, we didn't get a signal here, but it, you know, if you'd have followed it along, you could have waited for the next line up of everything green. So from the bottom, green, 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 green line, green, green, and then that is potential 62 pips. Okay, so it obviously works better if you've got everything all lined up. I haven't really looked at the smaller time frames, but we can have a quick look at a 30-minute one. Let's try that's a buy on AUD NZD, 30th of April, 8:30 a.m. 30th of April, 8:30 a.m. Right, so we are coming off a green zone. We have a green candle, we have a green confirmation arrow. On the next bar we have another green confirmation arrow, and a couple of bar later we've got another confirmation arrow. But at this point we've got a green bar, a green line, and I'm not sure if that's green or red, so I'd wait till the next candle. But on the next candle we got the confirmation to take a buy. Let me look at the long position here. So let's say we entered on this candle here. Okay, I'm going to put my stop loss just down here, just underneath this candle, and let's see. Market's closed obviously now, that's why that bar's jumping up and down, but we have a 2.36 to 1 trade for a potential 33 pips, and depending again where you put your stop, if it was a bit tighter 3 to 1 on a 30-minute chart. We've got NAS. I don't trade the NASDAQ. Okay, so there's a couple of trades there, but anyway, you get the idea. So it's basically matching green with green and red with red, and that's with very little Forex knowledge necessary. However, inside IM Academy and inside the Ninja Forex Traders group, we provide a lot of education and other strategies other than this which work. We generally use the harmonic scanner predominantly at the moment, but as this has just come out, I wanted to look at it and test it and see what the potential is, and just based off of yesterday's trading and testing right here now on the video, you can see that there is quite a few pips to be had just lining up some colours. So I'm going to look at this. Next week's going to be a strange week because it's a bank holiday Monday and it's non-farm payroll Friday, but I'm going to look at this all next week and see the potential, maybe get on a demo account and test it. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you is this brand new system, very easy to follow, and if you want to get involved, just click on the link below, get involved in the Forex Ninja Traders Lite group. There you can see and get involved with other people. You can see people posting results and etc. as well, and then obviously if you want to get involved further, just get back to me or whoever put you in the group if it's not this video that's taken you to the group. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you on the next video. Happy trading. Tenerife Trader over and out.